Here we are at the site on Thursday morning, August 19th. We see that steel has been laid on the floor of the main building, with the social hall office building, that section of the new Share Tefillah. We see that the retaining wall is in for the sanctuary side, and they're putting in the foundation for that. Here's some more steel over here. There's a bulldozer in the back here doing something with cement pipes, and it's very exciting to watch the work proceed. A little bit muddy on the site today. There's a big rainstorm yesterday, but they're back at work today.